How to fix Instagram story no music results found. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you the way on how you can go ahead and fix if Instagram story says that no music results found. But before we get started, as always, if you're new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you update the application, in order to add a music to your story, you would need to open Instagram, go about creating a simple story over here, let's say a normal photo, and you just needed to tap on this little sticker icon from the top right, and you have to go to the option called music over here. Once you go to music, let's say that you were searching for a particular music, and it simply said that no music results found. Now you have to understand that if it says no music results found, it could simply mean that there isn't a particular music which you are searching on the Instagram music library. So you have to understand that Instagram is basically just a social media app which is made to interact with people, and it is not a whole catalog of music. If there is a whole catalog of music, then you can go ahead and use Spotify, but Instagram only have limited amount of music and licenses. However, there are also some of the other things that we can conduct and which I can show you. That is that, let's say you're using a business account. I want you to go ahead and switch to the personal account, because when you're on a business account, you might not have access to some of the songs that is available for personal account. Similarly, if you're on personal account, I want you to go ahead and simply try to switch to a professional or business account. What this does is that any type of limitations on a personal level is going to be restricted and removed when you switch to the professional Instagram account. You'll basically get access to some of the music that you really like, which can be used to promote your products and so on. So in order to do that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines, go to settings, and go to the option called account over here. Scroll down to the bottom, select switch to professional account. If you're in professional account, try to switch to personal account, and just go ahead and see now whether or not the issue will be fixed, because if not, then most likely the music simply does not exist in the Instagram's library. And hopefully this cleared your confusion. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.